In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw to your bank from Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to enter, and what to look out for, so your money lands in the right place without surprises. Start by opening your Wise account and selecting Send. This begins the transfer flow. Right away, choose the currency you're sending from and the currency the recipient will receive. If you're moving money to your own bank, that usually means sending from your Wise balance and receiving in your local bank currency. Wise will show the live exchange rate so you can see exactly how your money converts. Next, enter the amount. You can type the amount you want to send or the precise amount you want the recipient to receive. Wise will automatically calculate the other side for you. This is handy if you need an exact payout, like covering a bill or topping up a specific balance. Now choose how you want to pay, and, if the option appears, when to send. Select the account or funding method you'll use to send the money. As you make this selection, Wise will display the total fees up front, along with an estimated arrival time. Take a moment here to review the breakdown so you're comfortable with both the cost and the delivery window before moving on. Next, add the recipient. Since you're withdrawing to your own bank, select Myself. You'll then pick the transfer network, ACH, Wire, or SWIFT, depending on where your bank is and how fast you need the funds. ACH is common for domestic U.S. bank transfers and is typically lower cost, with a standard delivery time. Wire can be faster domestically, but may carry higher fees. SWIFT is used for international bank accounts and works with details like a SWIFT by EE and IBAN, depending on the country. Enter your bank details carefully. You'll be prompted for the account holder name, the routing number and account number for ACH or Wire, or the appropriate international details for SWIFT. Make sure the name matches your bank account exactly to avoid delays. Double-check every digit. Small typos can cause transfers to bounce back. When everything looks correct, click Continue to review the summary one last time, including the send amount, the receive amount, fees, exchange rate, and delivery estimate. Then proceed to complete the transfer. That's it. Your withdrawal is on its way, and you can track the progress right from your Wise account. If anything needs attention, Wise will notify you, but in most cases, you can just sit back and let the transfer finish.